If you are looking for ways to spruce up your backyard but are low on cash, look no further. With these makeover ideas, you can easily transform your backyard into a stunning space you can actually be proud of. If you want to revitalize that drab backyard of yours, you have come to the right place. I've got 12 new and affordable concepts that will give your backyard a breath of fresh air it desperately needs.
This is 12 Backyard Makeover Ideas on a Budget by Simpome.com.
With these terrific transformations, you can host backyard barbecues and camping parties any day. Who says you have to break the bank just to get an Instagram-worthy backyard? Nope, these projects will not only yield a breathtaking space, but will also be budget-friendly. And they are incredibly easy to boot, so easy that you can actually do it yourself. Don't bother calling a contractor for these projects, because all the manpower you need is yours. Not convinced enough? We'll let these projects speak for themselves. Number 12. Backyard Makeover Pool Design. Always dreamed of having a swimming pool, but never have the budget for it? Well, who says you can't have a simple mini pool in the backyard? With this makeover project, you can have your very own pool without putting a hole in your pocket. Sure, it won't be as big as a full-sized pool, but it's spacious enough to wade in the water. And you don't even need to hire professionals to put up this cost-effective pool. You don't need to be an expert builder either. All it takes is determination and dedication, and you can have a DIY pool in a matter of days. Did you know that you can make a swimming pool out of pallets? Oh, a shipping container and a garbage dumpster work too! Isn't it great that you can make something so luxurious with these extremely affordable materials? Number 11. Backyard Private Hideaway Makeover. If you'd love to hang out more in your backyard but hate that it's so exposed, here's the project for you. Give yourself that sense of security with this private hideaway. Build a fence and rest assured that your business remains your business. Apart from privacy, you'll also be protected from unwanted views, pests, and noise from the outside. You'll also be protected from extreme temperatures, so you can lounge in your backyard for as long as you want, anytime, any day. Aside from function, this privacy fence project also adds beauty to your space. With its elegant features, you and your family will have a lovely time relaxing in your newly designed backyard. Number 10. Backyard Makeover Ideas with Pallets. If you don't want to spend too much on a backyard makeover project, use pallets. With wooden pallets, you can make a wide variety of DIY projects. From tables and chairs, pools and fire pits, to doghouses and sandboxes, there's nothing you can't do with pallets. This material creates the most attractive outdoor furniture and is absolutely free. You can get it from any store with a garden center. Just be sure to ask nicely. Number 9. Backyard Path Makeover Alternative. Lay a simple stone path. Add a rustic feature to your backyard by giving it a stone path. It's so amazing how something so practical and affordable can make your space look so chic. Plus, a stone path is not only there for aesthetic purposes, but for protection as well. With these steps, your grass and garden are safe from getting stepped on. All you need is a few flat stones and you're all set. There is a wide plethora of stone designs available on Amazon, so you don't even need to get out of the house to make this happen. Number 8. DIY idea how to make over your backyard patio. Who says you need at least $200 to give life to your outdated patio? For as low as $160, you can transform your backyard from drab to fab. All you need are a few throw pillows, stepping stones, patio chairs, string lights, a rustic rug, and a DIY bench, and you've got yourself a newly transformed backyard. Number 7. DIY alternative idea how to make over your backyard fire pit. Say goodbye to your old-fashioned fire pit and make way for a new one. This DIY backyard fire pit is charming, affordable, and easy to make. Surround your new fire pit with picnic chairs, love seats, and a table for a fun barbecue party. Accessorized with throw pillows and embellishments, this fire pit is the perfect place to hang out with the entire family. Number 6. Backyard storage makeover idea. Serve party treats in style. This Murphy-style mini bar is all your backyard needs for the most convenient outdoor party. Just stock the storage unit with your favorite food and drinks and you're ready to host. And when you're done, all you need is to fold the bar up and voila, clean and complete. Even if you're not a party hosting type of person, this bar is still useful. Whether you use it as a potting station, an indoor desk, or a display table, it will never run out of purpose. Number 5. Backyard Fun Makeover. How to expand your picnic bar. If you love hosting gatherings in your backyard, this picnic bar is a must-have. This DIY storage unit is elegant, spacious, and so easy to make. Perfect for setting pitchers, glasses, and other containers. It's the ideal furniture for your backyard party hosting duties. Just stock your picnic bar with all the party essentials, and your party is all set. No need to go back and forth to your kitchen to serve your guests with food and beverages. Number 4. Cheap Backyard Garden Playhouse Makeover. Want a luxurious-looking backyard without going over budget? Craft this mini garden playhouse, also known as the female version of the Bat Cave. This DIY project broke the internet for a reason. It's easy, affordable, and straight up gorgeous. Whether you make it for yourself or your kids, this garden playhouse will certainly fancify your backyard. It's the coziest, chicest hangout spot you can ever ask for. Number 3. Tiny Backyard Garden Makeover Idea. Give that plain patio of yours a splash of color with this makeover idea. And who cares if you've got such a small backyard? This simple transformation will make your patio looking larger than life. With some faux grass, wooden chairs, throw pillows, and other decors, you can make this rustic and Instagrammable patio you'll want to lounge in for hours. Throw in some potted plants and a vintage bike and see the difference it makes. Number 2. Backyard Decor Makeover Idea. Make a rustic pergola. The latter has recently become one of the latest trends in design, and that's why we're featuring this DIY pergola made with vintage ladders. It's the perfect way to incorporate a new trend into your home. Give your garden a lovely entrance where you can feature crawling plants and hang string lights on.
Before I wrap this list up, thanks for playing this video. If you like what you see, care to support this channel by pressing the subscribe button under the video. It benefits nearly a half dozen people working behind the video. Now let's return to our final countdown.
Number 1. How to build a pallet potting bench. Got some old pallets to spare? Use them wisely by transforming them into a potting bench. This project is especially great if you've got some pretty potted plants waiting to be displayed. Also great for displaying bird cages and other outdoor furniture. Apart from showcasing your plants, this potting bench also doubles as a craft desk or console table. And by the way, it doesn't take much effort and resources to make. All you need are a few pallets and some of your time. Final thoughts. See how easy and affordable these DIY projects are? With these budget-friendly ideas, your backyard will transform into an Instagram-worthy spot in no time. Who says you need boatloads of money to get something so beautiful? All you need is hard work, commitment, this video, and dedication, and you are on your way to a backyard so stunning you will want to have your family and friends over all the time. And aside from the fantastic finished product, you'll also get immense satisfaction from creating something from scratch. Trust us, there is a different level of joy you'll get from completing a DIY project, not to mention all those bragging rights. Not everyone can say they've accomplished such a feat. So what are you waiting for? Give your backyard the transformation it needs with these 12 makeover ideas on a budget. That's it for now. Before you leave, support this channel by pressing the subscribe button under the video. Like it, comment, or share it with anyone inside your social media circle. Keep us in your subscription tab to find other clever ideas how to revamp your home and garden. And until we meet again later sometime in the future, thanks for watching.